This is Novoton Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns lost their first game of the season, which is the last game, in fact, of the season. My brother, how do you feel about losing Lena Matomo?
My brother, what's up, King? Nyamile tata, my brother.
Yeah,
another to win.
I'm going to celebrate a Pila.
My brother, what's up? And the way losing I could say playing at the way game 2 million slow, but the last slow attack that match. You know, one over this game in another direction. You could have fun to expect, my brother.
Yeah,
what's up, my brother? Lose it, over again, my brother. Over again, Mata, everything, men situation, the whole week, my brother. Until maybe my brother talk on Bombela.
Yeah. But always I want to see the
I'm a pirate, my brother. Pirates are colota, my brother. Lebonabati or Bar colota, my brother. Yeah, my baganeva ever colota, my brother. Calavale photo. And make a reach over the goal is ever for Antenata. The fail, and if I did, my brother. If I did Bombela, my brother. Whether lose it, my league on a return. The way sometimes to perform the whole season. The whole season, my brother. Sometimes you need a ball. Like it or not, to take away at Sundowns, my brother. So today it was unfortunate. It was the last day more to celebrate. But Captain Silona, never at that 3 point. Unfortunately, my brother. When I was top 80. But lalawona re tutu ka se ba re tutu ka spedi ba re mahloko ba tlomo mahloko re lalawona re nangasi next time maybe le bona ba tabo fa dieta ba le rena moria ba le dlala go top 10 me bara rena go top 10 re dila re lebeletse le go top 10 rena re mbombela me bara o bona go operate mbombela me bara ke no tsaya fela me bara ka go le mona Bragging what's a fella got Bombela. Get this time Bombela. I know what a South Africa go fail it away. The yellow flag, the yellow flag, the yellow national celebrate me, bra. So, relevant the whole season, relevant me, Bralina or toilets and the supporters encourage our stadium. This thing you hold me, Bralina, this thing leader, you hold me, Bramudimal to second fair.
No, thank you very much. Tell me, how do you feel about crowd here today?
Unfortunately, my brother, sometimes I come by. But this is from my example, bank. Most members say, today, but they the next game. It is today, trend takes it, but the show differently short next week, 6-7 takes in Bombay.
Mara, how level let's go in. Despite all the game maker, today let's celebrate. Let's celebrate that. The celebrate a league, no longer the possibility of really record our Lescash. Don't you think we're those supporters? They're supposed to come here, and they are supposed to also come even the next week.
No, my brother. Political yan, South Africa that disadvantage. Our been to about Harry Perek, Berekamaho. So if we sacrifice this weekend to break, the next weekend to think on Bombay.
Yeah, but not everyone is working on Saturday. And the game Natangata. You have few. And a Louina Hood.
Lebra, ye to look at.
Libella choose Mara. They are always there.
Lebra, ye to look at. They agree.
Young branching, because Chiefs to take it about the branch. To take it go Louis Shawani, to take it go Patcoma fan, and Navago the branch. So Lena have a mambush. Pakai Tomali, no day. Unfortunately, they let Alexa Asala around. But Lena. Helga will allow the branching for a page, Aring Stadium, Immense and so on and so on. I'm telling you, in 10 years to come, let's have a little on top. Recruit kids. Never recruit
That is why.
Recruit those kids. And every kid now, support us now.
That is why carry on. This year, around Kumala, about 5-6 branches but don't cheat. Like this year, this season fair. So it shows you about Mota, Abana Sundown. Chiefs in Paris comparable because all those years never Berekasha. Sundowns in the Santa EMLA. No Sundowns Mufikilangon. Out of Africa, everywhere. It's about Tawangan. So that is why the coming 2-3 years, it's a very big difference.
No, thanks, my brother. All the best you want. Hola,
Seven.